do a little bit more? Go ahead and do a little bit more. Yeah, let's go see. How was that, Ethan? What do you think about welding? Let me see. Oh yeah, that looks great. Yep, that'll be sturdy right there. What do you think about weld? This is your first time welding, huh? Do you like it? Well, I can't hear you. Here. Give me a good answer. Let's hear it. Nice and clear answer. Let me see. I'm gonna get a. Let's see. Oh man, you're looking good right there. You look like a professional. What do you think about welding, Ethan?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. That's good. We'll go on to the next phase of putting this wood rack together, okay? So yeah, stop the video.